Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to detect overlaps between placed elements and the title block using the Check for Overlaps with Title Block command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. If you want to limit the check to begin from a specific sheet, enter the sheet number here as the starting point. Similarly, you can define the endpoint of the sheet range by entering an end sheet number. Now let's run the command. BIMLOGIQ Copilot will scan all sheets in the defined range for overlaps or misaligned elements. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a report listing all sheets where placed elements overlap with or fall outside the title block. Let's check the sheets in the report list and see why they are untidy. Here in this sheet, the view falls outside the title block. Same here in this sheet, the view falls outside the title block. And here in this sheet, the placed elements are overlapping. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.